In the year 2023, about 25,000 Thai people tried to commit suicide. And one of the main reasons is depression. Moreover, according to the Ministry of Public Health, only 28% of the depressed patients went to receive treatments. But how about the rest, the 72%? Today, I, Natat Kittisarn from Sarasas Ektra school, have an answer. About 4 months ago, I had an opportunity to be trained to care for people with psychiatric conditions at the TSIC Association Y.10A Hospital. One thing that changed my perspective is that most of the people at the hospital didn't look like they were having a problem. I wouldn't even know if the staff didn't tell me that these people had psychiatric conditions. It would be amazing if we could have something that can tell us if we're having a risk of developing these diseases, right? So first, let's know more about depression. Depression is a disease that occurs due to the imbalance of the chemicals in the brain. Some important hormones that are related to depression are serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine, and melatonin. I noticed that one common symptom for people with depression is not being able to sleep, also known as insomnia. Studies also found out that the level of melatonin can directly affect insomnia. Then there's a question in my head asking, why can we only test the level of melatonin from urine and saliva in hospital labs? My hypothesis is that, what if we have a melatonin self-tester? This experiment needs help from the TSIC Association. This is because they already have an experimental group and a test lab. So, in this experiment, we'll be using the liquid chromatography technique, which is suitable for detecting melatonin from the saliva. We'll be using 2 reagents in total. The first one is the fluorescence detector. It can change the appearance of the melatonin in the saliva to be fluorescence. The second reagent is an enzyme that can tell you the quantity of the melatonin by the different shades of the colors. The mixture of the saliva and the reagents will be dripped into the chromatography test kit, and the results will be collected by the people with different collecting time, gender, and age so that we can get a standard chart. Currently, over 60% of the people who committed suicide are depressed. But if we only have the melatonin self-tester that can give us the results within minutes, I believe that this convenience can motivate the people who are afraid to go see a doctor due to the stigma that comes with having mental illnesses to be braver and can go get treatments faster. Less people will commit suicide and can return to the normal society. Mental health is a crucial part of who we are. Therefore, taking care of our mental health is an act of self-love. Thank you.